So now we are going to look at the parts of the Excel window. Most of you have been using Microsoft Excel program, but when you actually don't know some of its main parts. The first part is around here in the top right corner, in the top left corner. In this top left corner, we have what we call the office button. This office button, it has features like, so when you click on it, it has features like creating a new Microsoft Excel document. You can open the existing one. You can save in case you have been working upon Microsoft document, an Excel document, then you can easily save from here. Then you can print, you can prepare, and so on and so on. We have another feature. Another feature is called the Quick Access Toolbar. In this Quick Access Toolbar, we have three main functions there. One of them is saving. In case you have already saved your work and you want to save continuously, you can easily click here where we have save, because this is the Quick Access Toolbar, this one here. Then it has features like undo. In case you have been doing something, maybe you have made an error and you want to undo it, you just click there, then you can redo. In case you have forgotten something and you want to resort to it, you can just redo. Those three are found in the Quick Access Toolbar. And then we have another feature which is called the name box. Name box is here, this one here. This is the name box. So for this case, you are seeing A1. A is a column title. We are going to look at column titles. Then 1 is a row title or a row heading. So you can see this active cell now, which is it is in column A, then it is in row 1. Here you are seeing the name box with the word A1. Let us maybe say if I now choose another cell, you can see that the name has changed from A1 to B2. It is in column B, row 2. That's why in the name box we are having B2. Then we have another feature which is the select all button. This one here, select all button. In case I want to select all the cells within a workbook, I come here. This is the select all button, this one here. When I tap there, it will highlight everything. It will select everything actually. So that is the select all button. Then we have another feature, that is row headings. I think you are seeing these row headings, this one here. So these are row headings. This one is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 onwards, going downwards. Those are called row headings. Those are row headings. Then we have another feature which is sheet tabs. Sheet tabs. This one is here. So each sheet has different tabs. For instance, you can see this one has sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So these sheet tabs, so each sheet tab has its own workbook. For example, I'm now in sheet 1. You can see sheet 1 is active. When I click on sheet 2, I will go to sheet 2, sheet 3. You can even create more worksheets from here by clicking there on insert worksheet. You can go ahead and you even rename, you can go ahead and even delete. Then we have another feature which is the seat tab scrolling buttons. This button is here. You can easily move from seat 3 to seat 2, from seat 3 to seat 2, then from seat 2 to seat 1 by using these buttons here. This one is here. Then we have another feature that is active sale. This one here. There is a difference between this and this. They are different. Let us see it practically. This one here, this one is now active, and these others are what? Are inactive. Meaning A1 is active, then the rest are what? Inactive. If I want C3 to be active, I will just come and click there. So now C3 is now active, then the rest are what? Are inactive. Then we have another feature which is status bar. This one here. Looking at it practically, this is the status bar. It is either ready or enter. That shell is now ready, but it is not in enter mode. If a certain cell is ready, meaning it is active, when I start typing there, it will go in enter mode. I hope you can see that. When you start typing, it goes in enter mode. But when you have just made it active, it is in ready mode. Then we have another feature that is horizontal scroll bar. This bar down here, this one here, it is used to scroll horizontally, moving either to the left or to the right. Then from there we have another feature which is view shortcuts. This one is here. This one is here. We can as well view these shortcuts from here. You can see it is now in normal mode. I can change it to page layout. I can guide and change it to page break preview. Then we have another feature that is the zoom control. You can make your sheet big or small. You can see I'm zooming it. Then here I'm zooming it out. So you can make your sheet big or small by using the feature called zoom controls. Then we have the vertical scroll bar, this one here, this part here, that is the vertical scroll bar. It is used to move within your sheet upwards and downwards. You can see that is the use of the vertical scroll bar. Then we have the workbook window, this one here. These boxes you are seeing, that is called the workbook window. These boxes here. So this is your workbook and it is called the workbook window. Then from there we have column headings. These ones here. These ones that you are seeing from A continuous, from A then continuing to M and so forth. They are here. They are starting from A, B, C, D. Those ones are called column headings. These ones were row headings. Now these ones are column headings. So if I'm here, I will be in the column G. Here you can see in my title here, I have G, G2. Then we have the formula bar. This formula bar, whatever you type in this formula bar, whatever you type in your workbook, it appears in the formula bar. For instance, if I can type my name, Chris, it will appear here. At the same time, it will appear here. Meaning, I can either type directly from here or I make a